I just need you to know that today is not the day and I am not the one. Hey friends, it's me, Amy Rebecca, your internet bestie for all things personal development, intentional living and dream chasing, as well as self-appointed president of the Trash Appreciation Society. That's right, we love trash. See, here's the backstory for those of you who are new. I am a former overconsumer of all things, really. It was very problematic for me in my life, but one of the biggest areas where I was overconsuming was cosmetics, and I ended up building this whole like doomsday beauty bunker type situation with products galore. In 2020, I decided to do a makeup no buy. I started my big makeup use up challenge, and here we are. We're still here. So now I make content about project panning, empties reviews, makeup declutters, and just generally working on living with more intention and less junk. So if that sounds like a good time to you, you should probably subscribe. As a side note, I'm not feeling it today. My head hurts, I'm tired, my hair is frizzy, my makeup is sitting weird on my face, and I've been battling this new microphone for what feels like an eternity. Is it even working right now? Don't know. But my old microphone had started making some weird noises, so I had no choice but to invest. Embrace the future. Modern technology. Girl, it is not for me. However, I am currently being held together by the knowledge that it is everyone's favorite time of the month. It's time for a Project Pan update. I am also partially being held together by this coffee. As a side note, this is the Oatly Barista Iced Macchiato caramel flavor. Delicious. Okay, so you guys know the drill. We come here once a month to assess my trash, measure everything with an ultra precise weighing scale, track it in a spreadsheet, and then give ourselves a pat on the back for a job well done. So you know how it goes. First, I'm going to pull up my cosmetics inventory spreadsheet because lo and behold, I am a spreadsheet nerd. This, by the way, it's always linked down in the description box. It is the perfect place to track all of your cosmetics. If you, like me, are trying to live with a little more intention and like not own thousands of cosmetics products, there is space for an annual inventory. There is also a year-on-year running inventory. There is space to keep track of everything you use up and the value of those products. There is a 6-month update. And of course, we have space for our project pan, which is what we will be focusing on today. Okay, we're going to start with the Physicians Formula Eye Brightener Eyeshadow. And our pan is growing pretty nicely on that. I can see a change compared to last month, and I just love to see that pan keep on growing. At this rate, do I think it will be finished by the end of 2026? It's difficult to say. It's going to be one of those ones that's like maybe on the cusp. It's probably going to take until December because even though we have a nice big pan in there's still lots of product around the sides. So I don't know. But what I do know is the weight change from last month compared to this month. So at the end of June, we had 3.92 grams and we are now down to 3.74 grams for a change of 0.18 grams, which is pretty decent. We are making consistent progress with this. Next, let's talk about the villain that everyone loves to hate, the NYX Baked Blush in Pinched. Prepare yourselves, okay? Do you see that? Do you see it? Do you see that pan has in fact grown? This has been in my project pan for, is this the 3rd year? I know it was definitely in here last year, but was it in the year before? I think it was. Good grief. Some days I feel like this is going to come to the grave with me because it just will not die. But other days I'm like, no, I will defeat you. And for once, it actually feels like I am making progress because it's not just me, right? That pan is growing. I can't express to you how good it feels to actually see a difference in this. I feel like I've waited my whole life for this moment. And I am wondering, hoping, praying, manifesting that now we've started to see a bit of an increase in that pan, whether that will just grow exponentially now. In terms of weight for this one, we've gone from 14.01 grams last month to 13.93 grams this month for a change of 0.08 grams. Shout out to my ultra precise weighing scale. We take this very seriously. We need to know the change to the 0.01 gram. Next, we have the Wet n Wild Highlight in Blossom Glow. Is dregs left in there, guys. It really is. I don't know how difficult it is for you to see, but we have a little bit of product along that edge and then just a little bit down here, and that's it. Ew, now I got it all over my fingers. I'm not concerned about using this up by the end of the year. I feel very confident that I'll be able to use it up within the next few months, especially when I look at these numbers. Good grief. Last month I had 33.21 grams. Now I'm down to 33.07 grams for a change of 0.17 grams, which is quite a lot. I'm just looking at this and I'm like, this is so close to done. This is another one that's been in my project pan forever. It was definitely in last year's, and I feel like it was in the year before as well, wasn't it? I'm just trying to remember a time where I wasn't trying to pan this and the blush, and I can't. Was there ever such a time? Okay, moving on to the Revolution matte lipstick in Velvet, or what's left of it. Okay, I'm actually going to do something a little bit different, and we're going to have a vote on this, because technically there is product left. Technically, I can keep applying this with my little lip brush, and it's no problem. But then I'm also wondering, like, how long are we going to do that for? We're going to be like scraping into the tube, like when is enough enough? Because there is barely anything left. Part of me is like, maybe I keep going until this tiny little nubbin that's left there is gone. And then the less insane part of me is like, girl, that's just pedantic. So I am going to put it to you in a poll. I think I'm going to do it on Instagram because that's just the easiest place to poll things. Do we let it go and move on with our lives, or do we commit to use up? You let me know. Okay, this is a team sport. Anyway, in terms of weight with this one, I had 34.8 grams last month and I am down to 34.79 grams this month for a change of 0.01 grams, which is like nothing. And you can see that in the highly scientific tracker that I have created for myself. Because see, that purple line is where we were last month, and then the blue line right below it is where we are now. It's basically no change. Should we just let it go? Let me know. I'll put up the poll. Let me know. Okay, next we have the tinted Vaseline. Hold on to your hats, folks, because you see that I have in fact hit pan on it. I mean, don't get me wrong, because there is still so much product left in here, especially around the sides. It is going to be a hot minute before this is all used up, but I like to see that progress. In terms of weight for the Vaseline, we went from 25.0 grams last month to 24.35 grams this month for a change of 0.72 grams, which is pretty good. I'm determined to use this up by the end of the year. Mark my words, this is not coming into 2027 with me. Good grief, it's getting really hot in here. I would like to go back to bed. Also, I am getting a bad back because I can't resist the urge to lean into the microphone. Like, girl, what are you doing? I'm sorry if the audio for this, by the way, is horrific. I've never used this before. I don't know if I got the settings right. I don't know if me sitting like this for the entire video has made it unbearable to listen to. This, I feel, is going to be an editing nightmare. Sit up straight. I don't need to be so close to the mic. It's not one of those tappy tappy whisper type channels. I hate those. Ugh. Makes my skin, I want to rip it off. When I hear people tapping into the microphone, whispering, it makes me want to gouge out my own eyes. Anyway, back to why we're here. Let's move on to the next product, which is the Righteous Butter by Soap and Glory. We are making steady headway with this. Oh god, I just can't get enough of that smell. It smells so good. So there is still a really decent amount left in there, but you can see that progress is ongoing. I am definitely going to get through this by the end of the year, probably within the next couple of months, which will be good because I find that a lot of times I get gifted body lotions as Christmas gifts, which is lovely. I love that. But I don't want to, round out this year with like 12 body lotions and be back to where we started. So I want to use up as many as I can before Christmas. So if I'm gifted some for Christmas, we still got a manageable amount to deal with. In terms of weight for this one, we started with 185.79 grams and now we have 128.25 grams for a change of 57.54 grams. So based on that and taking into account that the packaging obviously has weight, should be able to use this up within the next month and a half maybe. Next we have my little tube of tretinoin. I have been working my way through these all year because yes, I started 2026 with 11 of them, okay? And I am pleased to announce that I've used up another one. So that's the third tube of tretinoin that I've used up this year. Fantastic. And you already know I immediately had to cycle in a replacement because I'm trying to use them all up. So for this one, we started with 20 grams and we are now down to 18.38 grams for a change of 1.62 grams. This one ran out midway through the month, so I didn't get a full month's worth of use out of this one. I finally feel like I'm getting the tretinoin situation under control. And finally, we had the juniper scented soap out of that little soap box that I've been working my way through. And I used that one up. Before you ask, the one that I cycled into Project Pan the month before last that I lost, yeah, still haven't found that. Even after doing the cosmetics inventory and pulling everything out of all the drawers and all the little nooks and crannies, I still can't find it. So don't know what to say about that. However, I will be cycling in another little soap out of this same Wild Olive Wellbeing Soap Collection gift set. And guess what? It's the last one. I mean, technically I did lose one, didn't pan them all, but you can't have everything, okay? I actually don't know which one this is because it was the last one left in the box, and obviously as I've been taking them out, they've all shifted around. It looks like it should be watermelon, but there is no watermelon scent, so it's not. Smells good though. So this is the last little soap out of that gift box that I have to work my way through, and then all of them are used up. Well, technically not all of them. 8 of them are used up and 1 of them is lost, but that is progress. That is 2 more products panned this month for a total of 8 Project Pan products panned so far in 2026. These are not all of the things that I've used up in the whole of the year, obviously. I do separate empties review videos every quarter where I talk about all of the other products that I've used up and whether or not I would recommend them. It can all be found in my big makeup use up challenge playlist, which I will link down below. My brain feels like it's about to explode out of my head, so I will be wrapping this up now. Good Lord, I hope this audio is not going to cause me problems with this new mic. Hello, can you hear me? Is it even on? Anyway, please remember that you are enough just as you are. I love you so much, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!